Earn $5 in 30 seconds over and over again. No skills required. That's what we're taking a look at today. First, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. You're going to get a free membership there, free training, free websites, a very large community of people to help you out as well. And that's where you're going to really learn how to make some serious money online. But anyways, let's get into this. So today we're going to take a look at two different websites here, and one of them is going to be Fiverr.com, where you're going to find gigs for yourself. You're going to type in the search bar QR codes and hit search. I already have the page up here, but people are willing you to pay to get these codes made, these QR codes, and basically they're just codes. You know, I'm sure you've seen them everywhere before. You just scan your phone and it takes you to a website or whatever. For example, you know, this person here, they have a 330 reviews, so obviously people are willing to pay for this. That's a nice high 5-star review. But the basic one is $5, and there's a standard one for $10, and there's even a premium package for $15. And these are very easy to make. In fact, the website here is called unitag.io/QR codes, or you can just go to unitag.io and find it. But basically, is what you're going to do is you're just going to type your website URL in here, and we'll just put one in there for fun. Put my website in there, and then hit confirm. And it's going to make you the QR code right here, and then you can put logos in it and stuff like that. There's different things you can do, different colors, logos, eyes, options, all kind of different options you can do. You can see the one down here has a Facebook logo in it, or Twitter logo. And you can even charge even more to have people put your logo in it, have you put their logo in it. Just tell them to send you the logo. You pop that in there. Again, you just change it here, and then you download the code. Your QR code is now ready to be downloaded. There's no limited number of scans. It never expires. The service is free. So you can have a code here for the websites that you can put on websites and stuff, and then you just download the code. So it's a completely free service to use, and then you just go on Fiverr, make your listings, and get yourself in business. So it's a really cool way to make some extra cash. Obviously, you're not going to get rich doing this, but you can make a really nice side income. If you really want to learn how to make money online from the ground up, start your own online business from the ground up, check out my #1 recommendation. It's the top link in the video description below. Again, you're going to get a free membership, free training, you get 2 free websites, and everyone there helps each other out. It's a really cool platform. I use it. Many other people use it. I think it's 1.5 million members at the time. But really cool. Subscribe to the channel. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.